Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Honda Civic side markers. First, gather your essential tools: a flathead screwdriver, your new side marker, and a clean cloth. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Always work in a well-lit environment. This helps you clearly see all the small components and connections, making the process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now let's remove the old side marker. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into the small gap between the marker and the fender. Gently pry it out. It should pop free with minimal effort. Once loose, you will see the electrical connector. Press the small tab on the connector and pull it apart to disconnect the wiring. Finally, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from the marker housing. With the old marker out, it's time to install your new one. First, take your new bulb and insert it into the new side marker housing, twisting it clockwise until it feels secure. Next, reconnect the electrical connector. You should hear a distinct click confirming it's properly seated. Finally, align the new side marker with the opening in your fender and apply firm, even pressure until it snaps securely into place. It should sit flush. You're almost done. The final step is to test your new side marker. Turn on your vehicle's lights and visually confirm that the new marker illuminates brightly and correctly. Also, take a moment to check for any gaps around the edges of the installed marker. It should fit snugly and flush against the fender. If everything looks good, congratulations. If you need to replace the other side marker, simply repeat these 4 easy steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.